Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to turn off location tracking in Google Chrome. Follow the steps. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the Chrome windows to open the menu. Select Settings from the menu. This will open the Chrome settings page. Scroll down and click on Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. Under the Privacy Security section, you will find Site Settings. Click on it. Look for the Location section. Here you can control how Chrome handles your location data. To disable location tracking completely, click on Don't Allow Site to see your location. Once you turned off location tracking, Google Chrome will share your location with websites unless you explicitly grant permission of specific sites to access your location. Remember that some websites may require location access for certain features to work, so consider your preferences and the privacy implications before making changes to these settings. Thank you for watching this video and give me a like and subscribe to my channel.